Hey guys, Crystal from Black Unicorn Merchandising here. I am super excited because this is my first ever course for Black Unicorn Merchandising, the Tech Pack Mini. So the reason for this course, the whole purpose for why I developed it in the first place is because I have two kinds of clients. I have one kind of client who really just wants to focus on selling their. My other kind of client is the do-it-yourselfer. You're probably a startup brand, or you are someone who has aspirations to actually have your own fashion line, maybe even designers in-house. So this whole module is designed to communicate the tools that you're going to need before you can even start your tech pack. So allow me to walk you through what those tools are and some workarounds for if you either can't invest in those at this time or are maybe just not quite there yet in your understanding. I mentioned some quick tips to keep in mind as you're making these documents. Number one, your sketch. Your sketch. Did I mention your sketch? It really needs to be as detailed as possible. If you want a special stitch going across. All right, guys, on to module 3. Important terms that you need to know as we're doing your tech packs. So, when I say important terms, I really just mean I'm going to walk you through some of the lingo that is used for module 4 for when we actually look at a completed version of the tech pack. So, if you've made it this far, congratulations. I think you're pretty serious about learning how to make tech packs and you're gonna be so smart, you're gonna be making tech packs, it's gonna be amazing. Or maybe you accidentally left this class playing just in the background and in actuality you're like vacuuming or making a snack and you just forgot to press pause. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. The tech pack. The tech pack, as you see, is really not just an Excel document. It is several things, several pieces of information that are compiled into one. A fully fleshed out tech pack should look like. All right, avoid it. So to do that, I make really detailed art files and then I put screenshots.